In this video, we're going to explore the custom block called Testimonial Slider. This is one of the exclusive blocks available in our template. Let's visit a section where we are using our Testimonial Slider. This custom blog offers 4 distinct layout or design style that you can choose from. Let's check out the layout 1 or style 1. If I click on it, you can see that we have a text block. This text is actually the heading, and this is the main testimonial slider. The other testimonial items are child items of this slider. If I hide this main block, you can see that the testimonials are not showing anymore. That's because this is the main testimonial slider, and these 4 testimonial slider items are child items. So I'll show this again. First, I'll introduce the child items. If I go to one of the testimonial items, you can see that we have the image option and the text options. This is where you manage the content of each testimonial. If you want to reorder the items, for example, if you want the second testimonial to appear first in the slider, you simply need to reorder the items. As you can see, the second item is now showing first. Now, let's look at the slider settings. On the main slider block, we have width options for desktop and mobile. Below that, you'll see the slider settings. These are the custom slider-specific settings. You'll also notice that we have other settings such as background, texture, layout, mobile layout, animation timing, and custom sizes. These are default settings available for most blocks, so we won't cover them here. Instead, we'll focus on the slider-specific settings. In the slider settings, you can see that we currently have 4 styles available. In the future, we may add more styles here. Right now, Style 1 is selected. If I scroll down, you'll see Style 2, Style 3, and Style 4. If I select Style 2, you can see the layout change. Then Style 3, and finally Style 4. We also have options for navigation arrows, such as left and right arrows. You can enable or disable them. There's also an option for navigation dots, which appear below the testimonial items. Additionally, we have color options for the navigation elements. You can set a fixed height or enable auto height. There are also options for autoplay speed, and slider speed. All of these options are very minimal and easy to use, making it simple to adapt the slider to your design needs. One important thing to remember is that this is the main testimonial slider block that appears in the section. The child testimonial items do not show individually. They are bound to this slider. If you want to add a new testimonial item, you can either duplicate an existing testimonial slider item, or you can go to Add Block and search for the testimonial slider item. You will see the testimonial slider item block there. However, you cannot use 2 testimonial sliders in the same section. If you do, the testimonial items will act as a shared collection. It is recommended to use only 1 testimonial slider per section. That's all for our custom testimonial slider block.